Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Thursday, September 21st, 2023. It is 3:35 and 17 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, PFAS and BPA exposure. So let's jump to it here. The study finds significant chemical exposures in women with cancer. Clear link between PFAS, BPA exposures, and a prior cancer diagnosis found in large national study. Date September 18, 2023. Source: University of California. Exposure to endocrine-disrupting chemicals like PFAS and phenols are implicated in hormone-mediated cancers of the breast, ovary, skin, and uterus. And to learn more about the environmental exposures experienced by women who develop these cancers, the researchers analyzed data and found that women who reported having cancer had significantly higher levels of these chemicals in their bodies. While it does not prove that exposure to chemicals like PFAS, per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, and phenols, including BPA, led to these cancer diagnoses, it is a strong signal that they may be playing a role and should be studied further. The study showed that previous for women, higher exposure to PFDE, a long-chain PFAS compound, had double the odds of a previous melanoma diagnosis. Women with higher exposure to two other long-chain PFAS compounds, PFNA and PFUA, had nearly double the odds of a prior melanoma diagnosis. The study showed a link between PFNA and a prior diagnosis of uterine cancer and women with higher exposure to phenols, such as BPA, used in plastics, and 2,5-dichlorophenol, a chemical used in dyes and found as a byproduct in wastewater treatment, had higher odds of prior ovarian cancer diagnosis. They used data from blood and urine samples for more than 10,000 people. They've investigated current exposures to phenols and PFAS in relation to previous cancer diagnosis and explored racial ethnic disparities in these associations. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say these findings highlight the need to consider PFAS and phenols as whole classes of environmental risk factors for cancer risk in women. As PFAS have contaminated water, food, and people through products such as Teflon, pans, waterproof clothing, stain-resistant carpets, and fabrics, and food packaging. They are often referred to as forever chemicals because they are resistant to breaking down and therefore last for decades in the environment. PFAS also remain in people's systems anywhere from several months to years. As these PFAS chemicals appear to disrupt hormone function in women, which is one potential mechanism that increases odds of hormone-related cancer in women. The study also identified racial differences, associations between various PFAS and ovarian and uterine cancers were observed only among white women, while associations between PFAS, called MPAH, and phenol called BPF, and breast cancer were observed only among non-white women. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.